In this video, we'll discuss regarding restitution of conjugal rights as provided under Section 9. So, under Section 9, the husband or the wife may get a decree for restitution of conjugal rights if he or she has withdrawn from the society of the other without reasonable excuse. The court, if is satisfied of the truth of the statement made in the petition either by the husband or the wife, and there is no legal ground why the application should not be granted. And regarding the burden of proving reasonable excuse, it shall be on the person who has withdrawn from the society of the other or withdrawing from the company and from conjugal relationship, so also not discharging his or her marital obligations. And regarding reasonable excuse, which includes cruelty, adultery, unchastity, which is imposed upon the wife by the husband, or any gravely indecent behavior, or any false allegation made by the husband regarding wife, or the wife making false allegations against the husband, or in case of husband regularly tortures wife, or if he is not discharging the marital obligations. So these are the interpretation of reasonable excuse as we found in the following leading cases, such as Deepa Sayal versus Dinesh Chandra Sayal in 1993 by the Allahabad High Court. So also in the leading case Srimati Puspa Rani versus Vijay Pal Singh in 1994. So also a case of Allahabad High Court. And the third important case which interpreted exactly what includes reasonable excuse is S. Jayakumari versus Krishnan Nair 1995, decided by Kerala High Court. So this is all about restitution of conjugal rights as provided under Section 9 of the Act.